Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook Messenger. So from your Messenger app, so let's tap on it. You'll be able to see your messages and tap on that gear icon and then scroll down a bit until you see this Meta Center or Meta Account Center. So tap on it, see more in Account Center, and then you'll be able to see all your profiles here connected to your Facebook account. So let's tap on account ownership and control. So there's no direct option here for you to delete the messenger or deactivate messenger, since messenger is connected with your Facebook. So we need to go on deactivate or delete as well our Facebook account if we wish to deactivate or delete our messenger. So you have two options here, whether to deactivate your account or delete your account. So in that way you will be also disabling your messenger account. However, if you are deactivating your Facebook account, you will still be able to continue using messenger if you will open the messenger app. And if you don't wish to, then you can just deactivate both Facebook and Messenger. Then you can retrieve it or make your account active if you are ready. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.